EcoAirtec Double is our most versatile insulation and is commonly used to effectively insulate sheds, summer houses and garden buildings. It is also popular in roofs, walls, floors, boats, farm buildings, greenhouses and many more applications. At only 4mm thick, EcoAirtec Double takes up minimal room whilst providing a high level of insulation. It consists of an air bubble membrane with a true aluminium foil bonded either side, which is coated in a thin LDPE to help with the product's rigidity and to prevent corrosion. EcoAirtec Double reflects 95% of radiant energy back into the structure. Our product is equivalent to around 25mm of rigid PIR insulation such as Kingspan. The product will also act as a high-performing vapour control layer when fully taped and sealed using the Thermoseal foil joining tape. This eliminates the risk of condensation. We recommend stapling EcoAirtec Double to joists or rafters before proceeding with a 19mm batten. This batten cavity will help the product to reflect away the cold during the winter whilst also retaining the heat. During the warm months of the year, EcoAirtec Double will reflect excess heat away whilst keeping a more ambient temperature inside. As EcoAirtec Double is thin, flexible and easy to fit, you can also install the product by recessing the insulation partway into a joist or rafter, whilst keeping the material as a continuous layer. This can then be boarded directly over and will still maintain an air cavity either side of the insulation. You can purchase EcoAirtec Double in 4 easy to fit roll sizes, dependent on your application. These can be purchased direct from our website at the lowest trade prices. We also offer bulk discount pallet deals as well as all the fixing items that you may need. We offer free next working day delivery to the UK Mainland on all orders over £100 plus the VAT and can deliver on pallet quantities throughout Europe. If your project is going through building regulations, we recommend to use our Supercoat insulation. This product is only 7mm when compressed and is equivalent to 75mm of PIR insulation. Supercoat is fully accredited and certified by BDA, LABC and also BDA. We can provide bespoke U-value calculations on request, or you can visit our free and easy online U-value calculator on our website. If you have any further questions on our product, please inquire online or via our website by emailing us at sales@multifoil-insulation.com.